Standard 8, Chapter 18, Uljan Suljan. Hello students, how are you?
Hello teacher, we are fine.
Very good students. Listen, let me tell you some riddles. You all have to answer that. दिन को सोए रात को रोए, जितना रोए उतना खोए. Tell me students, what is the answer to this riddle?
Teacher, the answer to this riddle is candle.
Well, that's the correct answer. It's a candle. Now let me tell you another riddle. ऊंट की बैठक, हिरण की चाल, शुक्राचार्य का वाहन मैं, मेरे तन पर नहीं है बाल, बोलो मैं हूं कौन? Tell me students, what is the answer to this riddle?
Teacher, the answer of the riddle is frog.
That's the correct answer. The answer of the riddle is frog. Students, did you have fun?
Yes, teacher.
Well then students, let's read the riddle like the one we learned. एक फूल काले रंग का, सिर पर सदा सुहाता, तेज धूप वर्षा में खिलता, छाया में मुरझाता. Tell me students, what is the answer to this riddle? Let me explain to you the simple meaning of this puzzle. Students, it has been told in this puzzle that a flower is of black color which is pleasant on the head, but when there is sunshine and strong rain, then this flower blooms and as soon as we go into the shade, it withers. So tell students, what is that?
Teacher, वह छाता है.
That's the correct answer. The answer of the riddle is umbrella. Students, the umbrella is of black color. We use umbrellas to protect us from the sun and rain. Now let's listen to another riddle. Number 2. चोर नहीं डाकू नहीं, नहीं कहीं की रानी, 32 सिपाही घेरे रहते, तनमन पानी पानी. Tell me students, what is the answer to this riddle? Let me explain to you the simple meaning of this puzzle. Students, it has been told in this riddle that there is a person who is neither a thief nor a robber, nor do a queen. Yet 30 soldiers always surround him, and his body and mind, that is, water remains water all around him. Tell me students, what is the answer to this riddle?
यह पहेली का जवाब जीभ है.
Very good. That's the correct answer. The answer to the riddle is the tongue. Students, tongue is also called jihva in Hindi. Now let's listen to another riddle. Number 3. नाम मेरा 3 अक्षर का, रहने वाला सागर तट का, खाने में आता हूँ काम, बोलो बच्चों मेरा नाम. What is the answer to this riddle? Please think. Let me explain to you the simple meaning of this puzzle. Students, it has been told in this puzzle that whatever this thing is, it has a 3-letter name and it lives on the ocean. It is used in food. Tell me students, what is the answer to this riddle?
यह पहेली का जवाब नमक है.
You recognized it right. The answer is salt, which we use daily in our food. Now let's listen to another riddle. Number 4. आदि कटे तो दशरथ सूत होता, मध्य कटे तो आम, अंत कटे तो काहू लकड़ी, बोलो बच्चों मेरा नाम. This riddle says that if my next letter is cut off, it becomes Dashrath's son, that is Ram. By removing the middle letter, it becomes Am, like mango, and removing the letter at the end of mine makes Ara, a jigsaw by which wood is cut. Now you will know. So tell students, what is the answer to this riddle?
यह पहेली का जवाब आराम है.
Very good. That's the correct answer. The answer to this riddle is Aram. Let's listen to the second riddle. Number 5. दो सखियां दोनों चंचल, फिरती फाटक खोले, सो जाए तो सपने देखे, हंसे खुशी में दुख में रोले. What is the answer to this riddle? Please use your mind and think. Let me explain to you the simple meaning of this puzzle. Students, they are two friends. Both are very fickle. She opens the gate every time. If she sleeps, she dreams. She smiles in joy and sheds tears in sorrow. Now that you must have come to know, then tell me, who is that?
टीचर, वो आँख है.
Very good. The correct answer is the eye. Students, the eyelids of the eye keep moving again and again. When we cry in sorrow, tears come out of our eyes. The eye is also called Nayan and Drig in Hindi. Now let's listen to another riddle. Number 6. दादा है पर दादी नहीं, भाई है पर बहन नहीं, नव है पर 10 नहीं, रोजी है पर रोटी नहीं. What is the answer to this riddle? Let me explain to you the simple meaning of this puzzle. Children, he is Dada but not Dadi, Bhai but not Bahan. It is Nav but not Dash. He is a Roji but no Roti. What is the answer to this riddle?
टीचर, यह पहेली का जवाब दादा भाई नवरोजी है.
That is the correct answer. Students, the answer to this riddle is Dada Bhai Navroji. Dada Bhai Navroji is the name of one of our patriots. Let us now see the picture puzzle. Number 7. दिए गए चित्रों में चित्र के शब्द ढूंढिए. बाल दोस्तों, यह पहेली में 2 चित्र हैं. उन 2 चित्रों में उसके ही शब्द दिए गए हैं जो उसे आपको ढूंढना है. So students, look at the first picture and tell which word appears in it.
टीचर, यह प्रथम चित्र में जो शब्द उभरता है वह है सारंगी.
You got it right, students. The word that pops up in the first picture is sarangi. Let us now see the second word puzzle and tell which word is hidden in it.
टीचर, दूसरी पहेली में जो शब्द छुपा है वह मोर है.
That's the right answer, students. The word which is hidden in the second word puzzle is more. Students, did you enjoy in solving the puzzles?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. We really enjoyed.
Very good, students. Solving puzzles is also a different fun. Solving puzzles increases our thinking power. Solving puzzles gives our imagination an opportunity to take flight, and at the same time, it is great entertainment. So we should also listen and solve puzzles. So students, you should also write other such puzzles and tell them to all the students in your class.